Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has the open operator station. Comes with a John Deere H240 quick attach front loader. It's got the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection. 6-foot heavy duty front bucket. Does have a little bit of paint out of the bucket from normal use. Got the front grill guard on it. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. Tires are nearly new. Again, only 150 hours on the tractor. It's got 2 sets of rear wheel weights. Foldable rollover bar, rear work light, rear hydraulic SCV back here, 540 and 540E PTO. Got the toolbox there right in the side of the loader here. Tilt steering wheel, has the power reverser transmission, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Full suspension seat here for the operator. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat. 4-wheel drive engagement lever, 540E PTO selector. To the right, you've got your PTO engagement, 3-point and hydraulic controls, loader control, and also your 1, 2, 3, 4 gear transmission. You've got 4 gears, 3 ranges, so you get a total of 12 speeds. Brakes, foot throttle, and differential lock to the right there. Clutch pedal here to the left. Very clean, low-hour unit. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.